He's through. There we are. Take it off, throw it in. See if you can net it. Oh, so close. Hit the big chest. He throws. He weren't a good throw. As quick as you can, back to your team members.
You only get the one shot, guys.
He's got a fast-paced walk there. He's done this before. Big eggs, little spoons. Concentrates. Trying to get his balance. It's through the hole. Inigo Mace's concentrating on the other side.
Concentration.
The stern. Pull, he's facing.
You don't want to drop that egg. You really don't want to drop that egg.
He's through. Right,
if you drop that egg, you're going right back to the start.
He throws. He scores.
If that egg drops, you're back to the start. Oh, she's done it.
She throws. She scores.
As quick as you can.
Concentration on Amy's facing. Oh, look at this. She don't want to smile. She don't want to laugh. And she steps up. Is she going to slip? No, she's not. She's got her balance. She's carefully through the hole. Concentration on her face.
Smile!
She's smiling. The egg's wobbling. The egg's gone. Oh, she's back to the start quick as you can.
Justin's making her way through.
She can't get her hands on the egg. Oh, she's dropped it. They're both back to the start quick as you can. Right, I'll do my best not to put you off this time. She smiles. She's on a fast pace. Jazz has dropped her egg. Get yourself through there as quick as you can without dropping the egg. Any help? Oh, it's alright. I can't see that. Inigo Mace is through at the same time. They're neck and neck on this one. Absolute neck and neck. And she's through. She takes her egg. She lines up her shot. She throws. She misses. Inigo Mace is through. Takes her egg. Oh, lines up her shot. She throws. She misses.